Hello and welcome called Ender Rift. So this is a mod which is currently using the 1.16.3 version. So what we can do with this is we start with making a structure like this. We want to make sure it's a 3x3, but the middle face of each 9 block is kind of empty, right? So you can see that's exactly what we've got here. Then we put this Ender Rift core in here, which is made with obsidian and an ender chest. And then we're going to put an orb. We can make the Ender Rift Orb. And that's with magma cream, end of our eye, and those things. And we can right click with that. And you can see it says unbound. So what this really is used for, this mod, is as a wireless storage system. Okay, so what we need to do then is we need to power both the external structure and also the rift itself. So once I power the external structure, you see I can place items into the rift, and that is now in the rift. So I can then make the crafting browser, and we'll be able to see the stone. And then I'll be able to withdraw the stone. And then, for instance, if I did a crafting recipe, we can just store that all in the rift. Now, to use the wireless aspect of it, see I've got the unbound here. I just built another one over here. So we'll place another core over there. Make sure we've got the top one there as well. So to use that, it says unbound. I right click on it. You see it says bound, it says Rift ID 1. So now when I make this structure, we'll be able to do the same thing. So again, we're going to do the same thing here. We'll just put the capacitor down. You can see it's powered, and we'll take that crafting browser again. And because I created it with the orb that was linked already, I can now access from both inventories. So if I take this 55 out, just leaving the 18 slabs, you can see that these inventories are linked. So the other thing you could potentially do as well is that there is a cable, which is this mod, which is the proxy. If you do something like this, you'll notice that it actually connects to the chest. So what you could do is you could put another one of those crafting browsers on the front of it. And you see that connect. So say I put stone in this chest, iron in that one. You can see I can now use that to craft with. So again, it's like a rudimentary crafting system. And this is the Rudimentary Generator. So if instead of powering the structure, you wanted to power it with something else, this is just a way to, this is a bit like a boiler. So I can just put coal in there, and you'll notice it's not going to produce power, but as it gets warmer, and I'll show you producing power in a minute. So that's a way to power the structure as well, and alternate. This is an early game power source, the Rudimentary Generator. You can see it doesn't really need much to craft. So we look at some of the other blocks. We can see we've got this block, the automation driver. This stores energy, so we could put some energy. We could directly connect this to the corner if we wanted to power it that way. And we also have the automation interface. I don't actually have any cables, but this will let you filter which blocks can be inserted and extracted into the Ender Rift. We can see here with the Rudimentary Generator, it's starting to generate an increasing amount of power as it heats up. And that will probably do for this video, so thanks for watching.